Easy, quick answers about making money online are here. Just like many others out there, you may have difficulty finding work. This is leading many to turn to the internet for work. Internet opportunities make it possible for anyone to earn some extra money on the side. With dedication, they may even provide a respectable living. Keep watching to gain insight on how to make money online. Sign up for a site that will pay you to read emails during the course of the day. You will simply get links to scan over different websites and read through miscellaneous text. This will not take you a lot of time and can pay great benefits in the long run. One convenient way to make money online is to start writing. There are many different sites that will pay you to create content for various people. If you have done well in writing courses before, this could be ideal for you. You can get paid to write blog posts and more. Research what others are doing online to make money. There are so many ways to earn an online income these days. Take some time to see how the most successful people are doing it. You may discover ways of generating an income that you never thought of before. Keep a journal so that you remember them all as you move along. Use Google to find money-making opportunities on the internet. You are sure to come up with a long list of possibilities. When you see something you think you could do, look into it further. No matter what your choice is, you should take your time with things. Beware sites where you have to make a bid to complete someone's work. These sites devalue you based on the fact that the lowest bid most frequently wins. There will be some people hiring on these sites who are decent, of course, but the bulk just want their work done cheaply. One good way to make money online is by writing blog posts or videos. There are a few sites such as Helium and associated content that will pay for blog posts and videos that you write. You can earn up to $200 for videos on topics they are looking for. Don't quit your day job until the online money-making opportunity you're looking into starts paying off. While it could prove to be a jackpot, you don't want to risk being up the creek if it's not what you were hoping for. Always have enough money in the bank for a few months of bills, just to be on the safe side. Today there are many assistant positions available online. If you are good at office tasks and are technically savvy, you could be a virtual assistant providing office support, telephone or VoIP support and possible customer service. You may need some training to perform these functions, however, a nonprofit group called International Virtual Assistants Association can help you get the training and certifications you may need. Now that you've read these tips, you can see the number of people that have made money online. By using these tips you may realize that it's easier to earn money online than you previously thought. Just use what you've learned and get down to work. Affiliate marketing is a sure way to get some extra cash. But there is better than just selling other people products. You can sell your own products and make affiliates help you to also sell them. How can you achieve this? Pay close attention to the opportunity I will introduce to you. I will show you a site where you can download more than 12,500 digital products. They are all private label products. You can download, edit them, own them, and sell them to keep 100% of the profits. The digital products concerned include marketing software, ebooks, video courses, tutorials, articles, photos, templates, etc. The very good news is that you can start downloading for 100% free. With the free membership, you can download up to 500 products before deciding to upgrade for premium, where you will spend only $67 for a full year membership. Click the link in the description to register and access for free today. As you download the digital products, you can create your own affiliate program and recruit affiliates to sell them for you. In so doing, your profits will skyrocket by more than 1000% plus. Click the other link in the description to access a platform that will show you how you can create your own affiliate program.